Hello everyone, welcome to ESE Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the latest news which is regarding GATE 2027 examination. So the conducting college will be IIT Madras. For that, the required informations about the important dates, exam pattern, exam paper codes, two paper combinations, examination centers, all the downloadable things are available on this official website gate2027.iitm.ac.in. So right over here you can see freshly created website for GATE 2027, and let's look out for the important dates. There is one big change, we'll be witnessing that as well. So GATE registration has started from 14th of August and it is now live. Now 21st of September will be the last date of your regular registration, and the extended registration process is until the 30th of September. Now the fees will be increased. The application fees will be increased in this extended period. That means after 21st of September till 30th of September, the fees would be a bit more. We'll see how much the application fees will be. Now after that, admit card and the city allotment notification will be released on 4th of January. The actual admit card download will be announced. It is not announced until yet. Examination will be actually on 3 weekends. So previously, GATE examination was held on 2 weekends. Now, what they have announced is that the examination will be conducted on 3 weekends. Now, primarily, they may be increasing the number of centers, or they may be witnessing that more number of enrollments would be there. But nevertheless, the reason of this has not been disclosed. We can just assume a lot of reasons, but nevertheless, as a student, you need to keep in mind that this examination may be conducted on 3 weekends now: 6th and 7th of February 2027, 13th and 14th of February 2027. After that, week 3, 20 and 21st of February 2027. Right. Now, meanwhile, you also have to keep in mind the dates with respect to UPSC Engineering Services prelims as well. Now, the date of announcement of the results would be 19th of March 2027. So, generally, the exam date after that, there is 1 month gap approximately, the result is released. Now, generally, the result date is 16th to 19th of March, most probably. So, obviously, they have also mentioned that dates are liable to change. And the other things, we would see that the important dates section has been mentioned also separately, right? In this concise table, they have mentioned it separately also. You can just look out for that as well. Now, out of this, the more important thing is that all these dates we have discussed, but there will be one rectification window as well. So opening date of application rectification will be from 14th of October till 21st of October, right? So this point you need to keep in mind. So sometimes you may make some mistakes in the application form. For that, the rectification window is from 14th of October till 21st of October, right? For 1 week window they have given. Now, apart from that, when we see what are the test papers and syllabus, so as per your stream, you may go in your respective test paper, and you may also look out for question paper pattern as well, right? So test papers and syllabus, if we'll click, so you may witness that these are your test papers and codes of your streams, right? Now, as per the new consideration, robotics and automation, has been introduced for this year's GATE examination. That means upcoming GATE examination, GATE 2027. You may look out for that as well if you are interested in this particular domain or your syllabus is inclined to that. And primarily speaking, the 4-5 major fields, that is civil, computer science, mechanical, electrical, electronics, these streams tend to be, in the domain. The students who are interested in giving more than one GATE examination, you may look out for 2-paper combination, right? 2-paper combination as well for your streams. So for example, when we talk about civil engineering students, so civil engineering students can give a primary examination as civil engineering, that is CE code. And other than that, they can appear for one of these many as well. Either architectural, agricultural, or aeronautical engineering, engineering sciences, environmental sciences as well, right? Geomatics also, you may appear for these as well. Similarly, one of these, whatever these secondary paper codes are mentioned, one of these secondary papers also you can give. So total of 2, one student can give. Similar to that, a CS student, computer science student, can give computer science as their primary examination, and they can choose a secondary paper, as in one of the most famous is what? Data science and artificial intelligence, that is DA. Major students of this particular stream also appear for data science and artificial intelligence examination as well. Apart from that, you can go for electronics communication, you can go for mathematics, physics, statistics, mechanical engineering as well. But I'll point out to this as one more thing. Many students of computer science are also moving their interest towards mathematics and statistics also, because of increase in the application format of in your AI and ML area. Apart from that, the DA examination, the data science and artificial intelligence examination, can be given by all of the major streams actually, right? So you can see the DA examination can be given by CS people, EC people, electrical people, mechanical people, mathematics people, physics, RA, ST and XC people as well, right? There is no civil engineering in this. Please keep it in mind. So civil engineering student who are inclined toward DA, they may not be allowed for that 2-paper combination for DA, right? Please keep it in mind. So as you can see, in civil engineering, there is no DA mentioned as a secondary paper code. So these are some points you need to keep in mind. I'll point out for mechanical engineering as well. As you can see, mechanical engineering students go for mainly mechanical engineering examination, and parallelly it's one of the most famous for them as to go for PI, production as well, right? But other than that, they can go for AE, data science, IN, instrumentation, they can go, nanoscience, they can go. XC examination, a lot of civil as well as mechanical students give XC examination as well, engineering sciences. And computer science exam also, mechanical people can give. Apart from that, when we talk about electrical engineering or EC as well, as you can see, both of these are interchangeable, as in an electrical student can give a primary exam of electrical and a secondary exam of electronics as well. Same goes for EC. An EC student can give EC exam plus electrical exam. As you can see, electrical student can give EC examination as well, but some other exams also, secondary, they can give, like DA and computer sciences for electronics. Computer science is not in electrical engineering. And so these points you need to keep in mind if you are inclined towards that. So robotics and automation is included in electrical. Robotics and automation is included in DA as well. So many stream students whose engineering domain is inclined towards robotic and automation, they can go for electrical as well, right? Apart from that, the syllabus considerations, you need to go right over here once again, and you can check out the syllabus as well for various engineering domains. So for that, if you want to check out the syllabus, let's say if I choose electronics, so electronics syllabus will be visible like this, right? All the considerations. So every students are required to check out the previous year's electronics paper syllabus as well as this year's electronics syllabus and compare what kind of topics have been included or what kind of topics have been omitted, right? Similarly, you can check out for other engineering domains, like just by clicking on the name of the stream itself, right? Everything is mentioned. So if you are a new student, you can check out the syllabus of your engineering domain in detail. Now, other than that, when we talk about the examination, the opportunities with respect to GATE examination, there are a lot of opportunities with respect to GATE examination. PSUs are there, M.Tech MS programs are there. There are higher education opportunities. There are some opportunities in the management sector as well, right? So all of those opportunities are enlisted right over here, where you can use your GATE score and everything. If you are interested in getting to know much better about it, you can check out this slide which is mentioned on this website as well, right? Apart from that, when we talk about the eligibility criteria has also been mentioned right over here for various engineering students as well. Now, please keep it in mind, a long time back, third year students were not eligible for GATE examination, but now for last couple of years, you may be knowing that a third year student in their 6th semester can appear for GATE examination also. It's one of the best opportunities for an engineering student actually to appear for GATE examination for 2 times within their 4 years of engineering degree. So once you give a third year GATE examination, you come across a lot of mistakes while you are pursuing your engineering degree, and you can rectify those mistakes in your final year attempt. That will be in your 8th semester. Apart from that, you can see a line. Candidates who are currently studying in the 3rd or higher years of undergraduate degree program, or who have completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, humanities, are eligible for GATE examination, right? So keep that in mind. So if you want to check out the degree as well as the qualifying degree examination, and you need to see here it is specifically mentioned a student in currently 3rd year or higher. So basic eligibility is 3rd year. So all of these guys, all of these students, BR, BSc, PharmD, or MBBS, MSc, MA, MCA or equivalent, ME, M.Tech students, post BSc can also appear, ME, M.Tech students, Pharma students, or dual degree after diploma 10+2, right? The different domains have been mentioned, and clearly the basic eligibility is also mentioned separately in this table, right? So if you want to check out that according to your engineering degree or your respective degree, you can check that out as well. Apart from that, when we talk about the application fees of GATE examination, now in the initial period, from 14th of August till 21st of September, the regular period which they are referring to for female, SC, ST and physically handicapped students, 1,000 will be your application fee. And in the extended period beyond 21st of September till 30th of September, your fees will become 1,500 rupees. Apart from that, all other candidates including foreign nationals, as per the test, 2,000 rupees will be your fees in the regular period, and during the extended period, your application fee will be 2,500 rupees. So please make sure that you fill in the form during the regular period itself to save money. Apart from that, the above application fees are for a single test paper. That means if you want to appear for a 2-paper combination, that means appear for a secondary examination as well, you may be required to pay that fees one more time. So candidates opting for 2 papers have to pay twice the above mentioned fees. You have to keep that in mind. And also please keep it in mind, this QR code has been mentioned for your regular updates. Of WhatsApp channel has been mentioned. You can scan this for your quick access to the updates regarding GATE 2027 examination. Apart from that, when we talk about application fee we have seen, and the exam cities, corresponding to, various zones in India, the colleges have been given authority, right, of coordinating the examination. So as you can see, when we, let's click at IIT Roorkee. So IIT Roorkee is responsible for all of these states and cities mentioned right over here. So candidates coming out of these cities as well as the towns in these states may approach IIT Roorkee at this number and email, which has been mentioned right over here, for any problems with respect to GATE 2027 examination. And these are the lists corresponding to IIT Madras, right? So IIT Kharagpur as well, zonal coordination, as you can see, right? Everything is mentioned. Now, also one more thing, photograph and signature, how they are supposed to be, uploaded. Many students make mistakes corresponding to photographs and signatures. You have to keep it in mind, it should be with respect to the mentioned size and specifications corresponding to the requirements over here, and also the signatures as well. Please keep it in mind. The kind of mistakes the students do, they know that. Beforehand itself, they have mentioned what kind of mistakes you could do corresponding to the form filling process. You have to keep that in mind, right? Everything has been mentioned properly. Apart from that, required documents which are there for the form filling process have also been mentioned in a separate slide. And one more thing you have to keep it in mind, that in the downloads option, there is an information brochure. All of the above said information is also in this information brochure, which somewhat look like this. I'll show you. Yeah. So this is our information brochure, 144-page information brochure, which contains every kind of information or a problem which you may come across during the form filling process or anything regarding GATE 2027 examination, syllabus and everything. It is mentioned. In this Annexure D, it is the syllabus content from page 35. You can check it out for your respective stream, right? Apart from that, nothing else is there which is supposed to be discussed. Now, contact information with respect to the GATE examination should be corresponding to your respective zone. That will be a much better case. And other things have also been mentioned, the working hours, the email ID and everything. If something is required from your end, any kind of problem which you are facing, you can email it to them and ask for a resolution for that. Now, nevertheless, keep in mind the exact dates corresponding to GATE 2027 examination before, filling up the forms. So thank you for watching this video. Share it with your friends if you think that this video is helpful for you and for your friends as well. Subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.